October 3rd, 2014. I'm with a kind of like double printed, it would have been 2 runs through the etching press of a dry point print from 1979, which was called Self-Portrait with a Starving Artist. This one's, I find this one a little, well, it's amusing in its own way, because we have, it's titled up here, Self-Portrait with a Starving Artist, and then in parentheses, the mirror proof, because we have, as I say, I printed it twice, a second run through the press to get the, and the color is different. It kind of has a little magenta in the ink here. On the bottom here, it's titled Unique Double Self-Portrait with 2 Starving Artists. I like it. That's good. Actually, when I was in undergraduate at Southern Illinois University, Carbondale, majoring in art, someone said artists aren't supposed to make it until either they're elderly or dead. That's why, you know, starving artists, people think of Van Gogh, and so on. If I were to do this again, if I could go back in time, the only thing I would do differently, I look rather somber here, like, hey, what's the story? Just because you're a starving art student doesn't mean you'd be somber. I should have drawn myself, or I could have, didn't think of it at the time, in the same kind of smile as the skull here, which is like a skull they had in the art department building at Columbia, Missouri. Then it would have made sense. 2 grinning, starving artistes side by side and upside down. But we have what we have. So, as they say in Yiddish, was is gewesen. What is done is done. In other words, you can't go back in time, and even if you could, would you really want to? Anyway, there you have it. Starving artists, just like I pictured them.